Hello students, hope you are doing well by the grace of Lord, and I also pray for your safety. Actually, we are going through a very critical situation for this pandemic. As a result, we are to stay at home. I hope you are continuously studying at home regularly. So dear students, today's topic is sentence, and it is a very important for the students of class 6 and 7, and a very important chapter in grammar too. So before going through the chapter, we have to know what is sentence. So in the screen we can see that when one or more than one words sit together and makes a complete sense is called a sentence. That means as long as there is no complete meaning, it is not a sentence. That means if a sentence doesn't make any sense, it is not a sentence at all. For example, we can see that go I to Dhaka. Here in the example, we can see some words is together, but it doesn't make any sense. So it is not a sentence at all. So in the next example, like I, you, it is the same thing. It doesn't make any sense. That's why it is not a sentence at all. I go to Dhaka. So it makes a sense. That means Ami Dhakaye jai. So as it has a sense, so it is a sentence. That means if any sentence have complete sense, it is a sentence. So beside the sentence, I have shown you a structure: subject plus verb plus object or extension. So here the structure of the sentence. So our next step is the kinds of sentence. What kinds of sentence are there, and what are they, and what are the definition of the sentence we will know about you now. Kinds of sentence. There are 5 kinds of sentences. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Number 1, assertive sentence. So the another name of assertive sentence is declarative sentence or statement. So in the screen, if you see the definition, we can see that the sentence that states or declares something is called an assertive sentence. তার মানে এটার মানে হচ্ছে বিবৃতিমূলক বাক্য. If it presents any fact, it is also called assertive sentence. There are 2 types of assertive sentence. They are affirmative and negative. Assertive sentence 2 ধরনের হয়, একটা হচ্ছে হ্যাঁ বোধক এবং না বোধক. In the example, we can see that I like you, and below the sentence I have shown you the structure of the sentence. I like you. I here is subject, like is verb, and you is object here. And next example of negative sentence is I do not like you. So below the sentence I have shown you the structure of negative sentence. That means subject I, do not, auxiliary verb, like, main verb here we, that means like, and object means you. So we can see 2 types of sentence, affirmative, negative, and below the sentences we have already shown the structures. In number 2, we can see interrogative sentence. And what is interrogative sentence? The sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. মানে প্রশ্নবোধক বাক্য, যে বাক্য দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করা হয় সেটি হচ্ছে interrogative sentence. So there is no need to say anything about this interrogative sentence. There are 2 types of interrogative sentence. they are affirmative and negative. So there is another, in another sense, interrogative sentence are also two types. Number one is yes no question, and number two is WS question. Yes no question means the question that starts with auxiliary verb is called yes no question. In the screen we can see that, do you like me? So here the interrogative sentence starts with auxiliary verb do. So here there is no use of WS question. So do you like me? We can answer this question only yes or no. That's why this question is named after yes no question. And next example, we can see, when do you have your dinner? That means it is a WS question. First it starts with a WS word. That's why it is WS question, and the answer of this question will be elaborate. You can't answer these questions with yes or no. And these two types question are also in the classification of affirmative. And below the sentences we can see the structure. WS question, if there is WS question, then there will be a WS question. If there is no WS question, the sentence will start with auxiliary verb. So I have shown you WS question in the bracket. So WS question is in bracket plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb plus object or extension. In number B, the category is negative. So here we can also see the two types. Here is WS question, and another is yes no question. So first example is yes no question. Don't you like me? It starts with auxiliary verb. That's why it is yes no question. And the next one, why don't you take physical exercise? As the question starts with an WS question, that's why it is a WS question. So below the sentence we can see the structure of the sentence. WS question in the bracket plus auxiliary plus not plus verb plus subject plus verb plus object or extension. So it is the structure of interrogative sentences. Number 3, imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? When a sentence expresses order, forbid, advice, permission, proposal and request is called an imperative sentence. মানে হচ্ছে যে বাক্য দ্বারা আদেশ, উপদেশ, অনুরোধ, নিষেধ, প্রস্তাব, অনুমতি এইসব প্রকাশ পায় সেগুলো হচ্ছে imperative sentence. If we see the example, it will be more clear to us what is the imperative sentence. Number A, order. That means আদেশ. Go to school. তুমি বিদ্যালয়ে যাও. বিদ্যালয়ে যাও. That means you have to go to school. Number B, forbid. মানে নিষেধ. Don't open the window. It is an forbid. Number C, advise. Always speak the truth. Advice মানে হচ্ছে উপদেশ. Number D, permission. অনুমতি. Let me go to field. আমাকে মাঠে যেতে দাও. Number E, proposal. Let's go to watch movie. চলো আমরা মুভি দেখতে যাই. Number F, request. মানে অনুরোধ. Please give me a glass of water. দয়া করে আমাকে এক গ্লাস পানি দিন। So all the sentences are in imperative sentence. Optative sentence. When a sentence expresses blessings, prayer or curse, it is called an optative sentence. মানে যে বাক্য দ্বারা আশীর্বাদ, প্রার্থনা বা অভিশাপ বোঝায় সেগুলো হচ্ছে অপটাটিভ সেন্টেন্স। In the example we can see may you long live, তুমি দীর্ঘজীবী হও। লং লিভ আওয়ার কান্ট্রি, আমাদের দেশ চিরজীবী হোক। All these are the example of optative sentence. Number 5, exclamatory sentence. When a sentence expresses strong feelings, it is called an exclamatory sentence. মানে বিষয়বোধক বাক্য, মানে আকস্মিক যে আমাদের আবেগ, দুঃখ, অনুভূতি, যে কোনো আকস্মিক অনুভূতি প্রকাশ করাকেই তোমার এক্সক্লেমেটরি সেন্টেন্স বলা হয়। যেমন হুররা, উই হ্যাভ ওন দ্য গেম। হুররা, আমরা খেলায় জিতেছি। হোয়াট আ বিউটিফুল প্লেস ইট ইজ, কি সুন্দর স্থান এটি। অ্যালাস, উই হ্যাভ লস্ট দ্য গেম। হায় হায়, আমরা খেলায় হেরে গেলাম। এই সব সেন্টেন্সগুলোতে আকস্মিকভাবে আমাদের সুখ বা দুঃখের কিছু অনুভূতি প্রকাশ পেয়েছে।